In this video, we're going to be doing an exercise, great for beginners. The right hand's going to have a classic pentascale on the white keys, and it's going to be moving up successive white keys one at a time. And the other hand is going to have just the open fifth. It's going to be broken. We're going to play just the root note, what's called the root, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the fifth. We're going to move from here to here. We're not going to use these internal three fingers, just the thumb and the pinky. And how this is going to work together, because this is broken, there's 5 notes here and 2. We're not going to try and get literally 5 against 2. We're going to put the C's together and then the G's together and then move to the D position. So the low note and the top note in each of these pentascale positions is what is being played together. So here's F, G, A, B, C. That's the top of the exercise. Once you get through there, which is 8 repetitions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once you get here to the next C, you're going to turn everything back. So you're now going down the notes from the top note to the bottom note, and then move your hand position to B, and then to A, G position, F position, E position, etc., until you get back to middle C, thumb of the right hand. So here's the whole exercise. It's not important that you go fast initially, go slow, methodically, very strict. Initially, you can go even slower than that. The important thing is that you are keeping that pulse steady, whatever it is, however slow it is. I'm going to do this a little fast so you can hear the whole exercise. Exercise for beginners. So have fun with that.